Hi everyone, so we are looking at some more multiple choice questions in matrices. So here we have two questions. The one on the left hand side we're looking at first. So it says if, now remember this here means what? If the determinant, remember there are two lines enclosed in the letter, that means the determinant. If the determinant of A is equal to 0, then A is the inverse matrix, a singular matrix, an identity matrix, or a non-singular matrix. You need to remember once the determinant of any matrix is equal to 0, it is a singular matrix. Right? So singular matrix if the determinant is equal to 0. So that's just something to remember, right? We did some videos, a video before on singular matrices, so you can look back at those. The next question on the right hand side, the determinant of the identity matrix is it 1, is it 0, is it undefined, or is it -1? First of all, the identity matrix, what is the identity matrix? I would have mentioned in the previous video that the identity matrix is one matrix you need to remember. So the identity matrix I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Easiest way to remember it is the first diagonal here, it has 1s, and the next diagonal has 0s, right? So it's 1, 0, 0, 1. Pretty easy to remember. So right, the question is basically asking us what is the determinant? What is the determinant of matrix, the identity matrix? So remember, to find the determinant is the product of the first diagonal, take away the product of the second diagonal. So the product of the first diagonal will be 1 times 1, take away 0 times 0. And 1 times 1 is 1, take away 0 would just leave us with 1. So our answer is A. The determinant of the identity matrix is 1. Now let's look at this other question here. We have if 5, so let's write it out here. 5xy is equal to 4. So we could look at this as the 5 and the 4 are scalar multiples, and these are column matrices, right? The x, y, and the 10, 20. So let's let's multiply these matrices by their scalar multiples. So 5 by xy will be 5x, and then 5 by y is 5y. And then this on the right hand side will be equal to 4 by 10 is 40, 4 by 20 is 80. Now, what we do from here now is very simple. You see that 5x, the top is equal to the top on the top on the left hand side is equal to the top on the right hand side. Simplest way I could explain it for you. So therefore 5x is equal to 40 and 5y is equal to 80. Another word you could use for it is equating, right? So now we could solve for x and y. So remember, 5 is 5 times x, which is equal to 40. So x would be 40 divided by 5, which is 8. And then do the same here. 5 times y is equal to 80. So y is equal to 80 divided by 5. And then 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 8 is 1, remainder 3. 5 into 30 is 16. So my answer, my x value is 8 and my y value is 16. So that answer is B.